Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall see the SQL coding question which was asked in Amazon TechOps Associate SMT Bangalore. So this is the coding question. The employee table in the following format is given below and you need to write a query to display employee ID, employee name and the employees having lesser experience and the salary which is having salary than the average experience and the salary of all the employees. So here this is the employee table which is given, which includes employee ID, employee name, experience in months and the monthly salary. And similarly these are the input table which includes the employee ID, employee name, experience in months and the monthly salary. And here you need to obtain a sample output which is given, so which includes employee ID, employee name. So this is the employee ID and this is the employee name. So you are going to display the one which average experience and the average salary, which is having a lesser experience than the average salary and the average experience. So first we shall write this query for this. So here you need to display two fields, that is employee ID and the employee name. So for that write select, you need two fields, that is employee ID. So select employee underscore ID comma employee underscore name. So employee underscore name, then followed by from the table name. So from table name is employee, so from employee where. So you need to write a condition, so therefore you need to use a where clause, followed by the condition is that where the employees are having a lesser experience than the average salary. So then the average experience and the average salary. So here the employees have the lesser experience and the lesser salary than the average experience and the average salary. So where you are going to write, so we need an experience in months, so experience in months, and then after that within that you are going to include one more select statement. So in order to calculate the average experience in months, so within the bracket include select, so you are going to select the average experience in months. So select average experience in months, so here it should be less than, so less than select average experience in months, that too from the table name, that is from employee. So here you are going to close it. So where experience in months of select average of experience in months from the employee, so it should be less than. So one part is over, so we have done it for experience in months. Now again you need to do for salary also, so you need to append it with the AND clause. So AND followed by the monthly salary, and monthly underscore salary, even it should be less than select of. So you are going to select the average, calculate the average monthly underscore salary. So average monthly underscore salary from the employee. So from followed by the name of the table. So from the name of the table is from the employee table. And again they have also mentioned one thing. So they have also mentioned the one thing, that is you need to display the result in the descending order of the names of the employees. So therefore from the employee, so then after that you are going to display it in the, so you are going to display it in the descending order. So therefore you are going to write order by, so order by name, so order by employee underscore name in descending order. So therefore in descending order, so followed by the semicolon. So this is the solution for this query. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.